The psychology of money. Hey everyone, today we're diving into something that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful. Your mindset can make or break your finances, and trust me, this isn't about numbers or spreadsheets. So grab a coffee and let's talk about how your beliefs and habits might be holding you back or pushing you forward. Your relationship with money is a lot like any relationship. It's built on trust, habits, and yes, even past experiences. Think about it. How did your family talk about money when you were growing up? Did they say things like,
"Money doesn't grow on trees, and we can't afford that"?
those little messages can shape your beliefs about money for life.
"Money's evil, and I will never have enough."
Now, if you believe money is evil, you might avoid opportunities to earn more. If you think you'll never have enough, you might overspend because, hey, why not enjoy the moment, right? But good news, you can change your mindset. Here are 3 common mindset traps that mess with our finances. Scarcity mentality. This is when you always worry that there's not enough to go around. It can lead to hoarding money, refusing to invest in yourself. The fix: start focusing on abundance. Think about the opportunities you can create instead of the ones you might lose. Overconfidence bias. Maybe you've had some financial wins and now you think you're invincible. This mindset can lead to risky decisions like putting all your money into one stock or a meme coin like Doge. The fix: stay humble and diversify. Different eggs in different baskets. Fear of failure. This one's huge. Fear stops people from taking actions, whether it's starting a side hustle or learning to invest. The fix: shift your perspective, see failure as a lesson, not an endpoint. Knowledge. How do we fix this? Here are 3 steps to build a healthy money mindset. Healthy, wealthy mindset. Reframe your beliefs. Catch yourself when you think, I can't afford that. Instead ask, how can I afford that? These tiny changes train your brain to find solutions and not just think about the problems. Set clear goals. Be specific. Don't just say, I want to save money. Say, I'm saving $5,000 in 6 months. Clear goals keep you motivated. Celebrate the small wins. Save your first $100. Awesome. Paid off small debt. That's huge. Recognize progress keeps you on track. Your mindset is your most powerful financial tool. The way you think about your money shapes every decision you make. So let's start building a healthier relationship with it today. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances and your mindset. I care about self-development. Do you? Now drop a comment below. What's one belief about money you're ready to change?